Welcome to Massive Closet Cleanup. Hey guys, this is Ashla and welcome to the massive closet clean out ever. Now let me catch you guys up on what I did for the last 3 days. So today is Wednesday and I started packing my clothes back at my mom's place on Sunday. It took me literally 3 days to pack my entire closet. Like, that's how many clothes I own. That's because I don't think so. I have really dug deep and I have really gone through my clothing pieces since forever. And that is why I think I have clothes from my 10th standard, because I get really sentimental and like I sort of have this emotional attachment where I can't really let go of things, which is going to be a task to be very honest in today's video. And also I'm sorry if like it's echoing, I can't really help it, but yeah, that's the best that you can get at the moment. So the plan of action here is that I'll be making 3 piles. The first one being the donate pile, in which I'll be putting clothing pieces that I don't really see myself wearing and I don't even see the potential in them, where like I can sell it off or something like that. So that is going to be the first pile. The second pile is going to be pieces that I can alter, or pieces that I can like tailor it and probably see myself wearing for a longer period of time. So I'll be putting those clothes in that pile, and the third pile being the selling pile. Now I don't really know how exactly am I going to sell my clothes. Am I going to like do a garage sale, or am I going to be selling it on Cootloot? I'm still thinking. Let me know in the comment section what do I do. I think Cootloot would be a better option, since a lot of you guys can actually check it out, and probably if you want to buy then you can make a purchase. So I think Cootloot is a better option, but still I would be all yours. So please let me know in the comment section below. Now that being said, this is my closet, which is khali. Oh, it's not khali, it has some clothes. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking out, I mean I do have a lot of clothes already on my floor right now, but I'm going to be taking off everything and seeing it in a different space, and probably try imagining and picturizing as many outfits as possible. And if I succeed in picturizing as many outfits, then I think I will keep it. If not, then yeah, I probably will have to let go of that item. So that's going to be my strategy. I really hope I stick to it. Yeah, that being said, I think it's time we actually dive in to my clothes. And yeah, the very first pile, or the lot of clothes that I'm going to go through, are my winter clothes, since I know that I don't own very many of them, and I know that I'll be keeping most of these things since whenever I'm traveling I do need those. So yeah, all that I'm going to do is just fold them and then keep it aside. You can enjoy this like really nice fast forwarded montage of me just folding clothes. So yeah. That I wore while I was painting my room, and it's literally all messed up. Like, it has all these white marks all over it, but still I don't feel like giving it away, but I know that I'll have to, because I can't be like holding on to things. Again, this jersey, when I did not understand anything about football, but back then like Ronaldo was like all over the place, that's when I got it. Actually, it's my brother's. Like, he had it and then I took it from him, and since then I've been wearing this, I think since my I don't know, probably like I was in 7th or 8th. Since then I'm holding on to this, and even like today I don't feel like giving it away. But yeah, I think I will keep this. But this definitely is going away. Again, this top, and I remember this polo. I got it when there was like this factory outlet sale going on. I would be always on a lookout for sales, and also all these places. Whenever there would be a sale, I would be like, oh my god, like I have to visit, and then I would go and visit those places, and then I would get all these things like branded, like this is from Reebok and this is from Bare Denim. And I would not really have a lot of money, and whatever I managed was through my pocket money. So I think I'm really proud of my younger self to be doing what she did and getting what she did get. So yeah, I think it's time for both of them to go away, because I think I have worn them a lot. I mean a lot. So definitely getting rid of this. friend had gifted me this when I was in 10th, and I think it's been what, 10 years since I gave my 10th. I gave it in like 2010, and right now it's 2020 and I still own this, and that's crazy. It does fit me, so yeah, but I mean it fits me, but it is a little tight on me, but it still fits me. So I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I don't know, I'm so sentimental. I don't want to give this away, but I think I should because it's time. It's been 10 years that I'm holding on to it, so finally this has to go. Now this, I remember, it still has its tag and everything on. It was like so in trend, so I got it. Like, it's like a pinafore, and I never really wore it. And yeah, I think it's time for me to sell this. I'm definitely going to sell it. Again, this stupid thing. I don't know why did I get this in the first place, but it's just so stupid. This, I think I got it from Yovins, and I don't know why did I get it in extra small. I'm so stupid. I got it in extra small. It doesn't fit me, so I think I'm definitely going to sell this. Now again, this thing, I don't really like it as much, and it's taking up a lot of space, so I think I'm going to sell it for sure. Weird fetish when it comes to denim jackets. I have a lot of them in a lot of colors. I just found this lacy bra. I remember I got it when I was in, I think I was 20 or 19 when I got it, and I don't know, I just wanted to see what it looks like and what it feels like. Very uncomfortable, obviously doesn't fit me right now. So I am going to sort out my swimwear, which I don't really have a lot of them, but I do have few, and I think I'm going to keep it right here. I think very quickly I'm going to go through my denim shorts. I don't have a lot many, so I think I'm going to keep all of them since I don't own that many. I just have this one which is like really bad. I got that from Bandra, and I think I'm going to probably donate that one. But everything else, like, I just have these many, and I'm going to keep all of them. I think I'm going to sell it. I got this, it's like a jogger set, but I don't like the top, and also I don't know, I just don't like it, so I think I'm probably going to sell it since it's like brand new. I just got it like 2 months back or something like that, so yeah, selling it. Ask me how am I organizing this. I'm just putting all my tops here, and then I think one day I will sit and probably rearrange it, because right now it's impossible for me to actually, you know, arrange it or organize. Again, this dress, I've never worn this, not even like once, and I think I should like just give it away, or probably just like sell it or do something, so I'm going to do that. Now for the most important part, and probably which takes up a lot of space in my closet, which are all these jeans. I have so many of them, it's crazy. So yeah, recently I told you, right, like I've been walking and like sort of running, so that has helped me. So this jeans, it fits me, so I'm going to keep it. These ones are from River Island. I use them a lot, but I think I'm going to donate it. Okay, these ones are from Only. Again, I like them, they're fine, not the greatest, but yeah, nice. These are my favorite mom jeans from Shein, you guys always ask. These are my only jeans, again one of my favorite pants. Definitely keeping those. These are just the normal utility. Yeah, these are the utility pants. Keeping them, really like it. I think these, again, I'll have to try it, only then I can tell. These are my most favorite pants at the moment. Again from Shein, definitely keeping those. I'll have to try this. Love these. These are from Max, really like them. These are again the utility pants. They're okay. I mean, yeah, I can work with those as well. Definitely donating. Love these pants. These are my Topshop jeans. I really like it. Again, these are from Shein. I'll have to try these. That's my trial pile. That rhymed. And these are all the things that I'm keeping, all the jeans I'm sure of. So I'm really happy that I could make a sound decision. Finally, my denim collection is just this much. So, yay me! This is how they look. They are just the flare pants. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep them. I thought that I'll sell these, but I think I'm gonna keep them. I don't know. I mean, there's this one hole right here. It's not even that big. I mean, I can work with it, but I don't know. I think I'm not going to keep these. I think I will probably donate it. Okay, this dress right here, I think I got it from Fashion Street when I was in 11. I don't know what was I even thinking, but definitely not keeping it. I think I'm gonna give it away, probably donate it or something like that, but not my style anymore. And I'm so glad that this is not my style anymore. Oh my god, this is just so weird because they are really loose around the waist. As you can see, it's not at all flattering. So I think I'm definitely going to do something about it. I think I'll have to go and alter it like half an inch or so. But yeah, otherwise they're fine. They're just fine. They're like straight leg jeans and this is how they look. Okay, this dress is my 16th birthday dress and oh my god, look at this. Oh ew, so cringy. Anyway, like this is what I wore when I turned 16. Since it's my 16th birthday dress, I just don't want to give it away. It's just so like close to my heart. But I think it's time for me to give it away. But can you believe it? It still fits me. It's just so surprising. So I finally got done and my closet is done and like organized and I feel like 100 times better. I mean, there's just so much space in my room and also in my closet because I got rid of a lot of things. And to be very honest, I'm really proud of myself that I was able to let go of all these things and just a lot of clothes that I had like unhealthy or just, you know, emotional attachment, because there's no point in holding on to things. I mean, it's better you give it away so that someone else uses it, someone who needs it. So yeah, I'm just proud of myself and yeah, I'm just patting myself because there's no one else to do that. And it took me a lot of time to put this together and I know it's still not organized, but I will come to it. Hopefully you will see a closet tour. Let me know if you would be interested in that. But having said that, I also wanted to say something that I also realized today is that you don't need as many clothes, you know. I mean, I just had so many clothes, like just so many clothes, and humanly it's impossible to be wearing that many clothes. I think that's something that I've learned over time, that now if I were to go and buy something, I would pick out an outfit or a clothing piece and I would look at it and probably try picturizing and imagining as many outfits as possible. And if there are like 4 to 5 outfits that I can picturize, then I would be like, okay, I want to buy that. I really hope you enjoyed this video and if you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, it would mean the world to me, so please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan.